Ciao dear Sicily lovers! Happy to see you again! Today Mimmo turns 14 and I decided to bring him to this beautiful place to have a lot of fun. And maybe you are guessing, is Sicily family friendly for travelers with young kids? Yes, Sicily is also a great destination for families with young children like Dominic. Say hello to our Sicily lovers. Ciao ciao! It's Monday, but it's like Sunday. If you are a family with young kids, we can help you plan your custom private tours of Sicily according to your needs. Visit our website bestpinsulinsicily.com and send your inquiry. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao ciao!